guys, it's Roy here from RLoco12 and EpicDroid.com, and we're here today to show you guys how to change the batteries in your 2017 NVIDIA Shield Android TV remote control. I recently did a video on how to change them in the 2019 model, and one of my followers says, that's great, but I have the 2017 model. How do I change the batteries? Well, the good news is it's super easy. Here on the bottom of the controller, you'll see this little hole, or this little bump, divot, dimple, whatever you want to call it. What you're going to do is you're going to take a small tip item. I have here a SIM adapter for my screwdriver, but you can use a small screwdriver, a pen, a paper clip, whatever you want. You just push that in. Once you see it go in, you pull it out, and the drawer pops right on out. Inside that drawer, you'll see these two Panasonic CR2032 batteries. These batteries are not the most common batteries, however, you can find them anywhere where they sell watch batteries or computer components. I'll have a link in the video description down below where you can get some on Amazon. To get them out, there's this little teeny tiny clip. You have one here and here. You're just going to very, very carefully pop that off. And once you pop it off, the battery comes out, and you put a new one in. When you put it in, just put it under there, pop it in, and you're good to go. Then slide it in, and presto, your device has new life. If you guys have any questions about this process, if you have any questions about the Shield TV or NVIDIA's other products, feel free to hit us up in the comment section down below. If you guys like this video and if you want to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.